The simple combination of sour cream, fresh orange juice, and honey is all you need to deliciously dress this festive salad. In a small bowl, whisk these 3 ingredients together and set aside. Cover a large platter with the shredded romaine. Then top with overlapping rows of sliced beets, apple slices, and orange slices. Set jicama pieces on top of the slices. Sprinkle with pomegranate seeds, roasted peanuts, and fresh cilantro. Squeeze 4 quarters, 1 lime, over the top of the salad. Arrange additional lime wedges around the salad platter. Serve with the sweet cream dressing on the side.